What's going on YouTube? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage, and beside me I have a Yamaha Tenere 700. This is a 2021 model, and today I will be guiding you through the installation process of our LED flasher relay Gen 2. Now this is a completely plug and play product. It is fully adjustable. It's a very straightforward installation. No tools are needed. And the solution that this provides is you've gone ahead and upgraded your signals to some flashy LED signals like our TST pod signals that we offer. And lo and behold, you now are experiencing a hyperflash with your new signals. This one relay will correct and control the entire signal circuit, so front and back. Our relay will also work in a mixture of stock lights, LEDs, or a mixture of both. Now this is confirmed in the North American market if you are an international customer. Let's go ahead and watch the video, check the relay on your bike, check the pin configuration, and if it matches what we show on our website, you should be good to go. Like I said, this is a pretty straightforward installation, so let's go ahead and jump right in. To begin this installation process, we're going to start by removing the rear passenger seat. Lift up and shimmy it towards the back, releasing it from the locking hooks. Now, we do need to remove the rider seat, and if you have your OEM toolkit, there's an Allen key in here. To do that, all you need is a 4mm hex key Allen key T handle. There are 2 bolts located at the rear. And with those bolts removed, we're now going to go ahead and lift up on the rider seat and slide it back, releasing this hook feature from the scoop. Now with the seat off, we can access the relay. It is going to be the second relay located on the right side, the brake side of the bike towards the rear. It has a Denso label on it, and it is located on this post next to the fuse box, pointing to it right here. We're going to lift up on the relay, freeing it from the plastic post on the subtray, and now we have access to it. So we're going to gently slide it out of the way of this other relay, and that gives us access to the connector. Now we're going to gently press on the tab of the front of this relay. It'll lower the locking tab and you can release it from its captive geometry. Now, all I did was press down on the tab, releasing it from the locking configuration there. There is a grommet on this relay. At this point, if you have the ability to and you want to, you can slide it off of the OEM relay, and with the TST relay in hand, you'll pry up on this clip and go ahead and slip it on. Now it will be a little easier if you have a small tool, so we'll go ahead and use this small flathead screwdriver we have. We're going to slide it underneath the tab, and it doesn't matter which slot you insert. You're just going to begin that, pull your tool out, and continue backing it down until it bottoms out, ensuring that you can reseat it on its locking post. Now, I did mention that the relay is fully adjustable. At this time, if you want to go ahead and adjust the flash rate, or if you want to be able to adjust it while testing it and seeing the results, you can go ahead and, if you have a small tool, you can use a small tool to pry the tab away from the red cap. Or if you gently push on the sides, you can go ahead and free the red cap from the posts, and then we'll give you access to the circuit board. Very gently, we're going to pull that out of its housing. And you can see here, we have a small potentiometer that is adjustable left to right. Left will slow down the flash rate and right will speed it up. And if you'd like, at this point, you can actually plug in the relay and adjust it in real time to see and set the flash rate to your liking. We're pretty happy with it being set to the stock 85 cycles per minute. So we're just going to go ahead and reinsert the relay into the housing, put the cap back on, and simply finalize this installation. So we're going to go ahead and plug the relay in, ensuring as we slide the relay into the accepting clip that the tab is being seated and you hear a small click. That ensures that it is locked in place. And now you can go ahead and reseat the relay on the post it was removed from. And with that, this installation is now complete, and we can check our work to verify we did correct the issue of the hyperflash with our new upgraded LED turn signals. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out our LED flasher relay for the Tenere 700 or any other product we have for this bike or any other bike sitting in your garage, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to this relay can be found in the description below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. And lastly, don't forget to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark from TST. We'll catch you guys next time.